Have you ever wondered how AI will shape our future? Imagine a world where machines learn, predict, and possibly even think. A world where artificial intelligence isn't just a concept but an integral part of our daily lives. As we traverse through this digital age, it becomes essential to stay updated with the latest in AI. This includes everything from new research to breakthroughs that could redefine our future. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, welcome to a journey through the most recent breakthroughs in the world of AI. In the ever-evolving world of AI, new research papers and breakthroughs appear regularly. It's a testament to the relentless pursuit of knowledge and innovation led by brilliant minds worldwide. And let's explore some of these recent revelations that are shaping the future of AI. First off, we have a groundbreaking study that harnesses AI to predict health risks such as heart disease and diabetes years before they manifest. This research could revolutionize healthcare, enabling early interventions and potentially saving millions of lives. Next up, researchers are leveraging AI to optimize logistics and transportation. They've developed algorithms that can accurately predict traffic patterns, significantly reducing congestion and improving the efficiency of freight delivery. This can lead to greener cities with less pollution and more sustainable economies. In the realm of global issues, AI is making waves too. A recent paper detailed how AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of climate data, helping scientists understand climate change patterns and devise effective countermeasures. This could be a game changer in our battle against global warming. Finally, a team of researchers has devised an AI system that can learn and adapt in real time, mimicking human learning abilities. This breakthrough could lead to AI systems that are more flexible and capable of handling complex tasks, bringing us closer to true artificial intelligence. These breakthroughs are just the tip of the iceberg. The potential of AI is vast, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface. While AI has immense potential, it also raises some ethical questions. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, we cannot overlook the ethical dilemmas that come with it. A prominent concern is privacy. As AI systems become more intelligent, they are capable of gathering and analyzing vast amounts of personal data. This poses a significant risk if misused. Next, we have the issue of job displacement. As automation takes over, many individuals fear losing their livelihoods. It's a valid concern that needs to be addressed through education and policy changes. Then, there's the potential misuse of AI. Imagine a scenario where AI is used to spread misinformation, or worse, used for warfare. This is a chilling prospect that underscores the importance of ethical guidelines. The ethical dimension of AI is as crucial as its technological advancements. It's something we all need to think about as we continue to explore AI's potential. The world of AI is fascinating, isn't it? We've journeyed together through the latest research papers, breakthroughs, and the pivotal ethical discussions that shape this dynamic field. It's clear that the landscape of artificial intelligence is ever-evolving and brimming with potential, and we've only just scratched the surface. The beauty of AI lies in its complexity and its potential to revolutionize our world. But to truly appreciate it, we must continue to dig deeper. We must stay informed, ask questions, and engage in meaningful conversations about its future. These discussions are the heart of our channel. They provide insights into the world of AI and fuel our collective curiosity. But we need your active participation to keep the conversation going. Your views, your questions, your eagerness to learn, they all add to this enriching journey. So let's keep exploring together. Subscribe to the channel for more informational videos like this and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.